What's up, y'all? So today I'm gonna work from home today, man. I didn't feel like going in to work today, man. Today I got a lot of meetings and stuff, and I just didn't feel like driving down there in town. So my job is like maybe 45 minutes away from my house. The drive there it's not bad, but I usually go into work maybe 3-4 times a week if I want to. This company here allows me to work from home as much as I want to work from home. But as you see, I have my own lab downstairs in my other office. So I just like going into the office lab to do other stuff that they have a lot better scopes and like VNAs and stuff there that I can practice with, because in school we didn't have those in school to play with. At this company I'm able to play around with those at least and you know, get some experience in doing it. So yeah. So you boy hungry, man. I'm about to make me some eggs and some cheese toast, man. So I'm from the South, so we usually eat grits and eggs and stuff, but you know, me coming up, I was really poor. My mom was a single mom. She worked at a school. She didn't make hardly no money. My dad, he was a brick mason. He didn't make a lot of money either, so cheese toast is my staple for breakfast. I usually don't even eat breakfast. I usually drink some coffee or something, but when I do eat breakfast, I do like to eat eggs and cheese toast, man. That's what I'm about to do, man. Oh yeah, also, man, let me say this again to everybody that watches me. Thank you so much for watching me. I don't really do this channel for money because I make a lot of money. I do this channel to show people, man, that like you can do this stuff too, man. You don't have to be super smart. You don't got to be super gifted like everybody thinks. Yeah, electrical engineering is very demanding, I would say, but it's not like super hard, man, where you know that you feel like you just can't do it. You know what I mean? It's not like that. The math of it is rough. The math part of this is rough, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but you rarely get to use the math. The math itself is basically differentials, integrals, things of that nature. So you learn it throughout school, throughout college, right? I know everybody is kind of scared of the math part about engineering, so don't be afraid of the math part of it, man. From what I'm seeing is you go to a company and you're gonna basically specialize in one thing. Once you learn that one thing, you're kind of set. Hold on, guys, my wife calling me, guys, hold on. Yeah, okay, well, I'll see you when you get in the house then, boo.
Okay, babe.
All right.
All right, bye.
Bye. All right, so back to what I was saying, man. What was I saying? Oh, math. All right, so don't be scared of the math, right? Once you learn it, you're basically using the same math concepts throughout the whole school. So any engineering you do, you're gonna learn a set math skills, and you're gonna use those same math skills all the way through school. I'm just being real, y'all. You probably won't use none of that math, man. Oh yeah, also guys, when I get to 1,000 subscribers, this is what I'm gonna do. Whoever I'm seeing commenting the most on my videos, I'm gonna send you something that involves engineering. It might be like a fluke or like a scope or something. As soon as I get to 1,000 subscribers, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give back to my subscribers, man, because y'all don't gotta watch me, but you do. And I for one appreciate you. I sincerely appreciate you. So when I get to 1,000, I'm gonna either, whoever I see under my comments the most, I'm gonna send you a fluke or O-scope or something. Anything that I can do to help you on your engineering journey, leave it in my comments. I got you.